Sir's MCQ session under Sir's Career Point. Target for AHSE, NEET, JEE and other competitive examinations. D20 MCQ series on Haloalkane and Haloarene. This is the part 1 video of this unit according to the new revised syllabus. This is the first video of this series. Let us come for the first questions. This question MCQ question यार चारोटी लेखा ऑप्शन रहिबो मो गोटे बरे गोटे ऑप्शन तुमको देबी तुमको समय दिया जिवो आंसर दबा पाई ता भितरे तुमे तार आंसर लिखि करी सेंड करिवो ऑप्शन IUPAC name of chloroform is option 1 tetrachloromethane, option 2 trichloromethane, option 3 dichloromethane and option D monochloromethane. Question rahila, what is the IUPAC name of chloroform? Before writing the IUPAC name, we must have to know what is the formula of chloroform. The formula of chloroform is CHCl3. CHCl3 means it is a derivative of methane where 3 hydrogen atoms are substituted by 3 chlorine atoms. So the actual answer is option B, that is trichloromethane. Thanks for the students who giving the answer is trichloromethane. Ebe jiba next question ko, question number 2. The IUPAC name of CH3 CH2 CH2Br is dash. Option 1 3-methyl 1-bromobutane. Option 2 3-bromo 1-methylbutane. Option C 1-bromo 3-methylbutane and option D 1-bromopentane. एटी जदि आम चेन चूज करिबा ताले प्रथम कार्बन एटम गोटे ब्रोमीन एवं शेषरे कार्बन एटम को मध्य गोटे मिथाइल ग्रुप लागिछ त चेन रे चारोटी कार्बन एटम अछि नेमिंग पूर्व हमको नंबरिंग करिया पड़िबो एटी दी पटरे एंड कार्बन एटम को हमको लागिछ दुईटी गोटे एम मॉडल आसले हम 1 नंबर ब्रोमीन पाइबा सेपटे आसिले आमे 2 नंबर रे मिथाइल पाइबा सो नंबरिंग ब्रोमो साइड रो 1 ब्रोमो 3 methyl butane, that is option C is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving the answer is 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, that is option C. Let us come for the next question, that is third question. The IUPAC name of CH3CHCl2 is option A 1,1-dichloroethane, option 2 2,2-dichloroethane, option C 1,2-dichloroethane, option D dichloroethane. Try to give the answer. Before going to write the IUPAC name, we must have to number the carbon atoms. Here 2 carbon atoms are there and 2 chlorine atoms are attached to a single carbon atom. So numbering will be started from this carbon and 2 chlorine atoms are attached to one, that is first carbon atom. So the actual answer is option A, that is 1,1-dichloroethane. Thanks for the students who giving the answer is option A. Let us come for the question number 4. The IUPAC name of CH2 double bond CH CH2Cl is option A allyl chloride, option B 1-chloroprop 2-ene, option C 2-chloroprop 1-ene, option D 3-chloroprop 1-ene. The students try to give the answer. Let us analyze the question. The numbering is done in giving priority to the functional group, then multiple bond, then side chain. Here there is no functional group, So if the carbon atom are numbered from the left hand side, the multiple bond, the double bond will come at one carbon atom. So numbering should be done from left hand side. So the name of the compound is 3-chloro prop 1 So option D is the correct answer. That is 3-chloro prop 1 is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option D. Let us come for the question number 5. The IUPAC name of isopropyl chloride is option A 1-chloropropane, option B 2-chloropropane, option C 1,2-dichloropropane, option D 2,2-dichloropropane. A student try to give the answer. What will be the IUPAC name of isopropyl chloride? Isopropyl chloride means CH3CHCl CH3. The chlorine atom is attached to the middle carbon atom. So numbering should be done from any side, and the chlorine is attached to the second carbon atom. The numbering will be 2-chloropropane. That is option B is the correct answer. Let us come for the next question. That is question number 6. The IUPAC name of tertiary butyl chloride is tertiary butyl chloride IUPAC name कौन रहिबो? Option A 2-chloro 2-methyl propane, option B 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, option C 2-chlorobutane, option D 2,2-dichloropropane. The students try to give the answer. Which will be the correct answer? Tertiary butyl chloride CH3 CCl. So here two side chains are attached to the middle carbon atom. Numbering could be done from any side. Side chain will be two. One is chloro, other is methyl. So the actual answer is option A. That is 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option A. That is 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. Let us come for the next question. That is question number 7. The chemical name of BHC is option A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorobenzene. Option B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. Option C benzene hexachloride. Option D 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5 hexachlorocyclohexane. The students try to give the answer. BHC benzene hexachloride is its full form. The commercial name is Camaxine. It is prepared when benzene adds with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight. All the pi bonds are broken and 6 chlorine atoms are attached to 6 carbon atoms. So the actual answer is option A. That is, option B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. It is benzene nothibo. All the pi bonds break kari sarthibo. So thanks for the students who giving answer is option B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. Let us come for the next question. Question number 8. Meta-dichlorobenzene is otherwise known as this. Option A 1,1-dichlorobenzene. Option B 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Option C 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Option D 1,4-dichlorobenzene. The students try to give the answer. Meta-dichlorobenzene. Whenever a substituent is attached to benzene ring, then 3 distinct positions are occurred. 2 consecutive positions are ortho positions. The completely opposite carbon atom is the para position, and the remaining 2 are meta positions. So if 2 chlorine atoms are attached to 1 and 3 positions, then it is known as meta-dichlorobenzene. So the actual answer is option C. That is 1,3-dichlorobenzene is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option C. That is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Let us come for question number 9. Out of the followings, which is formed by the chlorination of methane? ମିଥେନ୍ର କ୍ଲୋରିନେସନ୍ ଯୋଗୁଁ ନିମ୍ନୋକ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟି ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ମିଥାଇଲ୍ କ୍ଲୋରାଇଡ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଡାଇକ୍ଲୋରୋମିଥେନ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ट्राइक्लोरोमिथेन और क्लोरोफॉर्म, ऑप्शन डी मिथाइल क्लोराइड प्लस डाइक्लोरोमिथेन प्लस ट्राइक्लोरोमिथेन प्लस tetrachloromethen. The students try to give the answer. It is a chain reaction. Whenever methane reacts with chlorine, then first of all methyl chloride is formed. Again it can add with chlorine to give dichloromethane, which again adds with chlorine to give trichloromethane, which can again adds with chlorine to give tetrachloromethane. Thus, by a chain reaction, a mixture of four alkyl halides are formed. Thus, the actual answer is option D, that is methyl chloride plus dichloromethane plus trichloromethane plus tetrachloromethane. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option D. Let us come for the question number 10. Next question, that is question number 10. What happens when propene adds with HBr? इतने प्रोपीन HBr को ऐड हम ताले कौन हम? ऑप्शन ए 2 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन इज फॉर्म, ऑप्शन बी 1 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन इज फॉर्म, ऑप्शन सी both A and B, option D none of these. The students try to give the answer. Propene is an unsymmetrical alkane. When it adds with HBr in the absence of organic peroxide, then addition takes place according to Marconi-Krebs rule. Means the bromine atom will, negative part of the addendum, that is bromide ion, will go into the carbon atom which contain least number of hydrogen atom. As a result, we will get 2 bromopropane is the major product. But during this 2 bromopropane, 1 bromopropane is also formed as the minor product. So the actual answer is option C, that is both A and B. Thanks for the students who giving answer HC, that is both A and B. Means both 2 bromopropane and 1 bromopropane is formed by the addition of HBr to propene. Now comes for the next question. Which haloalkane is formed when propene adds with HBr in the presence of benzyl peroxide? Propene को HBr add in the presence of benzyl peroxide. Then what happens? Option A 2 bromopropane as the major product, option B 1 bromopropane as the major product, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The students try to give the answer. Here the addition is carried out in the presence of benzyl peroxide, means it is the peroxide effect, that is addition takes place according to anti-Marconi-Krebs rule. The negative part of the addendum will join to the carbon atom which contains maximum number of hydrogen atom. As a result, 1 bromopropane is formed as the major product. So option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving answer HB in the answer set. Now let us come for the next question, that is question number 12. Grignard's reagent is prepared by the reaction between this magnesium and alkane, magnesium and alkyl halide, magnesium and arine, zinc and alkyl halides. How Grignard's reagent, that is RMGX, is formed? Try to give the answer. RMGX Grignard's reagent alkyl magnesium halide is formed when alkyl halide reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. So option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option B. Let us come for the next question, that is question number 13. Ethylene dichloride can be prepared by adding HCl to this. Option A ethane, option B ethylene, option C acetylene, option D ethylene glycol. Ethylene dichloride केमिति प्रिपेरेसन हम by adding HCl to this. आमे केउथिरे HCl ऐड कला परे सी हमकु एथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड दबो CH2Cl single bond CH2Cl. Try to give the answer. It is an addition reaction. The actual answer is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is OH CH2 single bond CH2OH. Two OH groups are substituted by the chlorine atom, two water molecules are formed, and we will get ethylene dichloride from ethylene glycol by adding HCl. Now, thanks for the students who giving answer is option D. Now, let us come for the next question, that is question number 14. Alkyl chloride can be obtained in purest form when alcohol reacts with dash. Option A, PCl3. Option B, PCl5. Option C, SOCl to thionyl chloride. Option D, all of these. How alkyl chloride is obtained from alcohol? Alkyl chloride can be obtained from alcohol by reaction with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2 also. But it will give us alkyl chloride in its purest form when it reacts with thionyl chloride. It's both the byproducts HCl and SO2 are gases. So option C is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option C. Let us come to the next question, that is question number 15. What is Lucas reagent? I mean Lucas reagent कहले कौन बुझिबा? Option A, anhydrous NCl2 and concentrated HCl. Option B, failing A and failing B. Option C, ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. Option D, palladium and barium sulfate. The students try to give the answer. What is Lucas reagent? Palladium barium sulfate is the catalyst for Rosenmann's reaction. Ammoniacal silver nitrate solution is called tolerance reagent. Failing and failing B mixture is called failing solution. The actual answer is option A, that is anhydrous NCl2 and concentrated HCl. Thanks for the students who giving answer is A. Now let's come for the next question, that is question number 16. The preparation of alkyl bromide from silver salt of acid by reaction with bromine is known as this. Option A, Finkelstein's reaction. Option B, Hans-Dickert reaction. Option C, Schwarz reaction. Option D, none of these. The students try to give the answer. Alkyl bromide preparation of from silver salt of acid by reaction with bromine. Finkelstein reaction में हमें alkyl iodide पाओ. It is a halogen exchange reaction. Schwarz reaction में हमें alkyl fluoride पाओ. It is also a halogen exchange reaction. So Hans-Dickert reaction, that is B, is the correct answer. By Hans-Dickert reaction, we will get alkyl bromide from silver salt of acid by reaction with bromine. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option B. Let us come for the next question, that is question number 17. The order of reactivity of different halide ions in alkyl halide is option A, fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine. Option B, chlorine is greater than fluorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine. Option C, iodine is greater than bromine, is greater than chlorine, is greater than fluorine. Option D, bromine is greater than iodine, is greater than chlorine, and greater than fluorine. Try to give the correct answer. What is the order of reactivity of different halide ions? Option C is the actual answer, because the iodide is highly reactive than bromide, is more reactive than chloride, is more reactive than fluoride. Thanks for the students who giving answer is option C. Let us come for the next question, that is question number 18. The correct order of melting point and boiling points of primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide is option A, primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. Option B, primary greater than tertiary greater than secondary. Option C, tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Option D, secondary greater than primary greater than tertiary. Student, try to give the correct answer, which is the correct order of melting point and boiling point for primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl. Option A is the correct answer. Primary alkyl halide is more melting point and boiling point than secondary, which is more melting point and boiling point than tertiary alkyl halides. Thanks for the students for giving answer A. Let us come for the question number 19. In the formation of alkene from alkyl halide, the order of reactivity of different halogen is Option A, chlorine is greater than bromine is greater than iodine. Chlorine is greater than bromine is greater than iodine. Option C, iodine is greater than bromine is greater than chlorine. And option D, bromine is greater than iodine is greater than chlorine. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟି ଅପସନ୍ ରିପିଟେସନ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. So try to give the correct answer. ଏଇଟାରେ different alkyl halide ଭିତରୁ order of reactivity କେଉଁ ହାଲୋଜେନ ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ରହିବ? Option C is the correct answer. Iodide is more reactive than bromide is more reactive than chloride. Let us come for the next, that is the last question of this series. The preparation of alkyl iodide from alkyl chloride or bromide by the reaction with metal iodide is known as dash. Option A, Finkelstein's reaction. Option B, Hans-Dickers reaction. Option C, Schwarz reaction. Option D, none of these. Try to give the answer. Alkyl iodide preparation of by the exchange of alkyl chloride or bromide by reaction with metal iodide. This is halogen exchange reaction and belongs to Finkelstein's reaction. So option A is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who are giving answer is option A. Thanks for attending D20 MCQ series of Opal Search Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Wait for the coming MCQ series very soon.